Welcome to the By Manufacturers Direct YouTube Surface Preparation Learning Series, where today, per your request, Josh revisits the popular subject of creating an engineered termination point for a coating. This application is typical for residential garage floors. However, the same questions often arise in loading bays and other industrial environments. That is, where's the best spot to end an epoxy installation? While this is typically an aesthetics question and based on the owner's preference, there are some wear concerns that should be addressed prior to installation. First, if the coating is going to be exposed to heavy sunlight, does the coating incorporate the right amount of UV protection to keep it from fading and affecting the overall appearance as it relates to the non-sunlight exposed surface? Also, and more important from a wear perspective, the objective is to create a termination point that protects the edge of the coating from being undercut and potentially tearing. As Josh clearly demonstrates, creating a designed edge or material termination point is integrated into the surface preparation process. Josh first marks the desired edge by closing the garage door and using a Sharpie clearly marks the relevant line. Next, he employs a simple 2x6 to establish a hard stop border and then a hand grinder to cut the line. The final result is a clean and concise epoxy edge that will provide the owner with years of use without improper wear, damage, or failures. This concludes this By Manufacturers Direct Learning Series segment. To learn more about any of the products or processes used in today's video, please reach out to your By Manufacturers Direct customer support representative. And as always, if you found today's video informative, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and select that bell icon to be notified when we post a new video.